Good morning, low cost people. My shop is absolute carnage for very good reason. Spent a lot of time lately putting in a new compressed air system. That's the blue transair piping there, SMC regulator. I needed to do more larger diameter BX cable off the circuit breaker panel. And a new air compressor is the latest addition to the shop here. Quickly, I realized my old air compressor lacked both air quality and capacity for what I'm doing now. So ponied up and got a new air compressor. That's a DV Systems made in Barrie, Ontario, 247 pump, 5 horsepower single phase unit. It's actually a 7.5 horsepower pump, and they basically detune them by putting on a smaller motor and a smaller pulley. The system comprises of obviously a shut-off valve right there into a Dominic Hunter 1 micron pre-filter into a bypass manifold, which feeds the 26 CFM air dryer into the transair piping system. The transair piping system pretty much all went together in about an hour and a half, so super quick. If you've got other activities which are making a hell of a lot more money in an hour and a half than what you would give up by installing like a copper system or a black iron pipe system, definitely worth your time. Maybe not worth the money if you're not doing anything else, but definitely worth your time. All right, a little bit about the dryer. That's a 26 CFM dryer, and it's actually supposed to be for a 7.5 horsepower compressor. There's a really good reason to not buy the 18 CFM dryer, which is a better match for this compressor. First reason is more capacity in the dryer, so you're not going to, I guess, run out of dew point capacity in the dryer. But the main reason, when you look at these systems, they recommend a pre-filter into the dryer, and they also recommend a filter on the back side of the dryer. Okay, I'm not going to take this cover off, but inside the 26 CFM dryer and not the 18 CFM dryer, right behind that panel right there, is a 0.1 micron, I guess, post filter, if you want to call it that. And there's the label right there. And that filter itself is probably about $250, and it's only $200 more to step up to the larger capacity dryer. So one would be foolish not to go with the larger dryer, as you're basically getting a filter for free, because you're going to need one anyway. I used a strut and cushion clamp system to mount everything to the walls. The transair brackets, only used about 6 of those. And there's the SMC regulator. I like to get another water separator on the tail end of that. And I've got 2 style fittings, the M and the H style. The H style for the low flow fittings. I'd like to get a lubricator on this end. It's where I use most of my grinding equipment that requires lubricated air. And then a water separator on here with both style outlets. Anyways, that's what's been going on here lately. Obviously a big hiatus over the summer months while I pursue my business activities, but I'm well tooled up and well set up to put more energy and time into the car project, which involves paint, windshield, seat, minor electrical work, and the reverse gear, which is, I guess, on the back burner. The guy that's going to machine me the flywheel is a guy I work with, and our schedules have just not lined up over the last month or so. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the Low Cost USA build log.